Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and today I'm gonna do the balancing on all my fingers, cause I know how to balance a fidget spinner in all my fingers. So yeah, nobody's helping me recording this video, so the phone might drop. And yeah, let's do this. My pinky. Do my pinky first. Oh no. Oh, and you guys can see I drop it. Wait, let me just pull like that. There's my pinky right there, and I'm spinning it. Okay, let's move to the other finger. Oh, I kind of suck on the other finger and the middle finger too, kind of. Oh, never mind, I don't suck anymore. I used to. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. I tried my best finding like a place that's bright, but right now it's not that sunny, just cloudy. Yeah, let's just move to the other finger. You guys can see. And the thumb, which is easy. You guys can see, and I can do this kind of. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know, I'm not holding my, I can't even talk right now, sorry. I was gonna say that my sister's not like recording this, so I'm recording this by myself. Look, it spins cool. Look at that. It's cool. And sometimes like it spins like this. Let me show you. It spins like that side, and then it's still spinning, and then it goes to the other side like this. Let me try to do it. And then it goes like this side and like this. Like that. Sometimes it goes to another direction. You guys can see it did it. That side, and then it's gonna go to the other side. Okay, that's all for this video. That's like the tricks I know right now, and like in YouTube I'll check out the tricks that they have. And yeah, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you like fidget spinners, I like fidget spinners, so that's why I made this video for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, to my channel, and turn on the bell, that bell, so it can tell you that I made a new video. Like I mostly make new videos like every day kind of, but I didn't make videos since 5 or 4 days ago. Yeah, so I don't know why I didn't make videos since 5 or 4 days ago. I don't know why. So yeah. So yeah, tell me in the comments below if you have a fidget spinner and what color is it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.